Hello friends, my name is Alea of Cozy Crochet Co, where I show you how to crochet the cozy way. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my first pattern that is coming out today. So if you like crochet and yarn content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, like this video, comment down below what are your thoughts on the project. And if you have Instagram, make sure you follow me. And if you want to support the channel, buy me a coffee. So let's get into the details of this project. So this is my scarf that I made. I know some of you have probably seen this in a few other videos, especially when I talked about projects that I was working on. And you've probably seen this on your timeline as I was working on it, but it's finally here. It's finally ready for you to do. The pattern is done. Let's talk about the scarf. It's called the Sweet Anniversary Scarf because I was inspired around Valentine's Day. You know those box of chocolate hearts? I'll put a picture somewhere of them. And it has like lace around the box, or like an old school Valentine that has like the lace around the heart. That's what I kind of wanted to emulate with this scarf. As you can see, I try to do that with the picot border, and I think it just, my vision came out absolutely perfect. This was actually a collaboration with my friend from February Fiber Co. I told her a few of the colors that I wanted for this set, and she pretty much did it and made my vision come true. It features this nice speckle that includes both lighter blues, darker blues, reds, and pinks, which I absolutely love, and I just think it came out absolutely gorgeous. So this is Tunisian crochet done on the bias. And you start from one corner, you do your increases until you get to the middle. And then you start doing your decreases to the other end. It's super easy, beginner friendly, and honestly, you can probably finish it in a weekend. I use DK yarn, but you honestly can use any other yarn. Actually, one of my testers, she was using this as a straight up scrap project to do this pattern. She actually used a thicker weight yarn, so it was not more of a scarf, but it came out more as a shawl, and I absolutely love it. So I'm just gonna put it on because I think this one goes with like literally any color, and it's perfect for spring. I know some people are like, a spring scarf, yes, you can wear this in the spring. But fall comes quicker than you know it, so this is perfect to snag now and work on all of your fall makes. Let's talk about where you can get the pattern. The pattern is absolutely free on my website, and I'll link that down below. If you don't want any ads and more pictures, you can also find it on Etsy and Ravelry, and I'll link that down below as well. Some of the things I really love about this pattern is you can straight up use this as a scrap yarn project. So if you have like a whole bunch of scrap yarn and it's not quite enough to make like a whole nother garment, but you have enough of it to add on into a project, I feel like this is very much perfect. I had some of my testers did like 3 stripes, some of them did the 5 stripes, and I just think it came out really well. And my testers did a phenomenal job picking out color schemes. I'll probably sprinkle some in this video as they go. You can buy the project and use scrap yarn, or you can actually buy the kit from February Fiber Co, who hand dyed all of this gorgeous scrumptious yarn for me. She actually has a listing on her Etsy store where you can buy this color combination, or there's like a purple one. I'll put the link for that one down below, but she comes up with the absolute best color combinations specifically for the Sweet Anniversary scarf, and I think she's an absolute genius, okay? And I'm very happy with how this collaboration and project came out. So if you're interested in buying from February Fiber Co, I do have a code. It's not affiliated, but you can get 15% off using the code Cozy Crochet Co on anything in her shop. So we love her for that. So definitely check out February Fiber Co. if you are interested in buying this pattern and the kit. Well, you can get the pattern for free on my website, and then you can get the kit from her, and you can get 15% off. So it's a little deal. But she hand dyes so many other yarn, and I just absolutely love her vibe and love her aesthetic. So that's why I went for her for this first collab. That's really it. I just want to let you know that my first pattern is out, and if y'all have any questions, let me know down in the comment section below. That being said, I hope you have a wonderful day, and as always, create something gorgeous. Bye, guys.